good, y'all? What's poppin'? I'm trying to... I'm fine. I'm just, documenting this, state. I can't feel... I can't feel my face. Well, I can feel anything above my nose. So this is all good. See, I can move this. But I'm having trouble speaking in fluent sentences. Well, this should wear off in like 2 hours. I'm completely fine. These are my temporary veneers. I wish I could properly smile for you guys. I can't do it. Thanks. It is what it is. You know. My teeth are a little sensitive. That's pretty much it. There's some problem with the left side of my face. It won't stay up, but my right side seems to be pretty chill. Like, this is what I look like if I try to smile to the best of my abilities. Yeah. Dude, I feel so much better. I'll say something. I hated my teeth so much. I really wasn't fucking with my teeth. And I feel like I don't know. Like, there was a point where I stopped taking pictures and accepting pictures from people, and like smiling was so hard for me. Like, I would still smile, but I knew the picture wasn't gonna come out good, and it would have to haunt me for the rest of my life. So like, I'm happy that, you know, this shit is just the temporaries and it looks fantastic. I'm down. Once this fucking numbing shit goes down, I'll be taking pictures and shit. Be like, you know. I got 10 on each side, or 10 on the top row, 5 on each side, and the bottom row. The bottom row is there. Glistening. I'm just glistening. Baby. My shiny teeth in me. My shiny teeth that glisten, just like the stars in space. My shiny teeth that glisten, na 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 na. My shiny teeth that twinkle, just like the stars in rain. You guys are so fucking stupid. You wanna know why you're stupid? Because why the fuck would I come from an appointment where I'm getting my veneers in, and you assume I'm on cocaine? People on cocaine don't act like this. People on Valium act like this. I had to take Valium in order to relax as this whole thing was going down. When I tell you the needle was that long, he shoved it in there, I had 4 panic attacks. Like 4. Dead ass. I'm fucking with this teeth. Alright, well that's it. I love you guys. I would say more, but I can't speak very fluently. And when I speak, there's a bunch of saliva. And I don't want to be exposing myself like this. Anyway, I love you guys. Bye. This is a hot ass mess.